Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the "You require permission from system to make changes to this folder" error in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering an error message stating that you require permission from the system to make changes to a specific folder in Windows 11, this video will guide you through the resolution. Here is what you need to do. First, locate the folder that is causing the issue. Right-click on the folder, and from the context menu, select Show More Options. Then, choose Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you will see a list of user accounts. Select the user account that you are currently using, which is usually the administrator account. After selecting your account, click on the Edit button. In the Permissions window that appears, ensure that the Full Control option is checked. Also make sure that the Deny option is unchecked for all permissions. The Allow column should be checked for full control, and the Deny column must remain unchecked. Once you have confirmed these settings, click on Apply, and then on OK, to save the changes. You may need to click Apply, and then OK again to close the Properties window. Please note that this solution is generally effective for home computers. It may not work on company-managed computers, as these often have stricter permission controls enforced by network administrators. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.